Yo, what's up, lovely people from all around the world? Today I'm in Poznań. Poznań Christmas market or the jarmark poznański świąteczny. Today on the Freedom Square, Plac Wolności. Normally is in the old town like in other cities, but due to as the old town is still under the renovation, is on the Freedom Square. I will show you around because it's Christmas season, so I will try to show you as many as possible the Christmas markets in Poland. This one is pretty big, actually way bigger than this one in Toruń and Malbork, of course. A lot of attractions for the kids and a lot of food options, and it's also a Ferris wheel behind me as well. So I will show you around. And it's getting to be warmer. It's 4 degrees, just in case if you care. Maybe let's start since the beginning. Where is the Ferris wheel? Here we go. That's the attraction at every Christmas markets, I think, recently in Poland. And let's get actually started since the beginning. Here's very nice entrance. This is the Freedom Square, as you can see on the top of it over there. And actually market starting here and ending over there. Oh, that would be super cool. Santa Claus carousel like this one. They're gonna start very soon, and you can have a very cool center with the kind of meal, but there is like religious statues actually. Oh, I think the snow is also starting to fall down, and a lot of plenty of option with the food and the little huts where you can rest, stay, enjoy your drink, hot wine, mulled wine, or cold one, cold beer perhaps as well. Oh, here we go. That's a very cool attraction for the kids in general. When I was young kid, small kid, I really like it, but I see the adults also doing it, not only the kids actually. So cool. No, not gonna do it, but if Winnie will be with me, I will go with her. I will ask her to go actually, perhaps, but very cool to show you. Very cool with Santa Claus, obviously, and great place to making some pictures, perhaps as well. Very cool indeed. People enjoying their beverage, of course, with the winter outfits. This one is very cool thing on the middle. Actually, definitely have to show you a little bit. They are selling the hot wine or mulled wine actually, but inside they are actually like statues, like angel and stuff. What is moving around on three different floors. Very cool stuff. Will be even better if the snow will falling, of course. And I will show you probably most of the stalls here. You can find so many beautiful decoration. This is like lollipops with the hearts and the Christmas stuff. You can find yourself the Poznań magnets Christmas tree. Also, many of them they are for sale, obviously, right? This one is actually cool. I'm not drinking, but overall very cool. But I'm gonna tell you, and it's recently like 5 p.m. More people coming. So I just wanna show you. Probably I will visit also some other Christmas markets, but this one is 5th biggest city in Poland, in Poznań. So definitely worth to show you. There are some chocolate stuff, like a chocolate Santa Claus perhaps you could get here. So it's pretty cool. Of course, some clothes, but not much clothes, only 1-2 stalls. There will be some cosmetics, but here you go. That's the stall already selling the food. Actually, the stalls showing the food, that's maybe the most interesting actually one. Here you go. This one is very cool. They're selling the sausages, skewers like this one. Looks very good. European stuff. Potatoes here. Oh, bigos, perhaps fresh bigos. The breads like this one. The lady is cooking over there, so you could get one with the bread. Actually, a lot of people work here. There are a lot of international visitors also here in Poznań. Not only Polish people. and the sellers I can see they speak English as well, so it's very cool. Small babies. Here you go, just wanted to show you a little bit here. Some meats also, you can get yourself the bread with the onion and the Polish sausage kielbasa, or just the bigos also. Very cool. And the bread, of course, like this one. Very cool stuff, very unique, very popular, only in Europe. Poland, Germany will have a very similar stuff. Polskie bombki, Polish decorations for Christmas, very beautiful, very beautiful stuff. Actually, gonna tell you, like angels and the Santa Clauses and everything for the decoration on your table, perhaps, or the Christmas tree. Let's get more. Oh, the Belgian fries. I don't know if Philip's still watching me, but here you go, mate. That's for you. And they selling here. I don't need to go to Belgium to try it, but I should go to Belgium one day actually. Some decorations, of course, some more Christmas trees. Yeah, let's go more closer. That's the fresh fruits in chocolate. So that's maybe some stuff for me, like apples. I saw apples like this one in Canada, but I see in Poland they also have it actually. Chili, that's interesting. Chili with the chocolate. Oh, the price is in euros as well actually. That means a lot of European people coming here, not only Polish one. So that's cool. That's like a halfway. And of course this is like an old town. It's not old town, but it's center of the Poznań. Some Lithuanian sausages here as well, not only Polish stuff, but that's a little bit of the history in general between Lithuania and Poland. And I think I have some Lithuanian viewers. And gingerbread, but this is what's more into decorative gingerbread. Very cool, and a lot of very cool stuff here. You can find gingerbread, ginger hearts, gingerbread men, and what else? Gingerbread houses deep inside. Actually, they're having some customers, and well, this one is very cool. Especially the houses are really cool. Like this one, I'm gonna tell you. Oh, this one is actually an overstall pajda chleba. That's the name. It's just a piece of bread. Piece of bread, and people walking with their wines. Very nice bread. I think this is the same style actually, selling exactly the same products. Very cool indeed. What else? Of course, some sweets, some gofres and the waffles. Also, you can find here. And okay, hold on, there is something here. Yes, they're selling the cheese here, like this one. Actually, very cool. This one normally is in mountains, in Polish mountains, in Krakow, and more further to the down south. But also here. Actually, I saw it in Choron, but this one is very cool. In the distance, you can see the situation like this one, the wheel. The stars actually you can get on the other side. Very cool atmosphere. I'm gonna tell you, that's without doubts. Middle of the week, it's not too busy, but it's also not that quiet, considering as today is only just 6th of December. Still 3 weeks to Christmas, and very nice decorations on the building. I think hold on, that's like a Coca-Cola Santa Claus or something like that. Cool. And they make trees also red. Overall, you can sit and enjoy. And there is even one of the, actually, some nice decorations. Snow slowly start falling actually, so it's even cooler. And this is one of the places which means gospoda, which is like an old traditional tavern, but it's temporary obviously, right? But also cool. I think I have to show you what's going on here. They also selling actually the beverages, like a mulled wine and the hot wines and stuff. So cool. Quite a lot of people as well waiting here. Very cool indeed. And overall very cool view of the market. Just wanted to show you. That's what you're gonna expect. You can expect in Poland and in Europe. especially in Central Europe. Here you go, even very nice Christmas tree and everything. Oh, and in this place actually people even hanging out upstairs. Very, very cool. I don't know how they get there, but it's cool. And also nice project of the Christmas decorations. Very cool. Some more food here. You can get a pyra z grzykiem, which is very traditional dish in Poznań, which is cooked in the foil there. We'll have to take it to show you, but next time. A lot of bread. They should have a pierogi as well, and some other stuff, and the soups here. A lot of interesting stuff. More decorations for the kids, perhaps. Attractions, not decorations, but very, very cool. Oh, here you go. They have churros here. So also, in case if you would like to try something, what you know, perhaps some more clothes. And overall, the view of the market facing the Ferris wheel. Just gonna show you what's going on. I think more closer to the Christmas, it will be a little bit better vibe and more busier. It's still pretty early. However, as I'm already here, I wanted to show you why not. Actually, when it's too busy, it's not that good because it's hard to film and you know, it's just so many people. But now it's very, very cool, very enjoyable. And the last view here, actually with the wheel and this central location here, like this one. Cool. Everywhere they cook some food. That's the cheese. Yeah, that's what you can find here. Very, very, very cool indeed. What I'm gonna tell you, pity is it's not in the old town, but overall still very, very enjoyable. And this thing is actually very, very, very beautiful, and people enjoying their beverage. So that's the vibes. Everybody are happy in general. And that's it for today's video. Just the beginning, as I said, more things to come. Very cool in the background, everything. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you are excited about the videos from Poland or not. It's okay, let me know. I'll see you tomorrow on next video. See ya, take care.